if it is a win some, lose some situation, no, evaluate natin, are you winning more and losing less, or are we losing more and winning less? In this case, if we cover up, or if the police leadership will cover up for Superintendent Marcos et al., then we will lose more than winning more. But you know, when you kill people already incarcerated, especially itong si Mayor Espinosa, who was hoping to be included in the witness protection program and who was hoping to be a state witness, parang it doesn't sound na parang believable na he would put up a fight, especially so that he was already trapped inside the cell. So yung sinasabi ng CIDG, yung element of surprise, we didn't want to lose the element of surprise, kaya madaling araw. Hey, maski mayroong baril yan, maski mayroong shabu yan, how far could Mayor Espinosa throw away the gun and the shabu? Doon di sa premises, so marirecover din nila.